Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Land Rover Discovery using the emergency start function. This method is essential when your smart key battery is dead or the key is not recognized. You'll need to locate specific contact points, usually found near the steering column. Once identified, firmly press your key fob against these points. This action allows the vehicle to bypass the smart key system and recognize the key's transponder, preparing it for ignition. Finding the emergency start contact points is a key step. Direct your attention to the area underneath the steering wheel. You will typically notice 3 small lines or markings, often located to either the left or right of the steering column. These are the specific points where you'll engage your key fob. If you're unsure of the exact spot for your model, your Land Rover Discovery owner's manual will provide precise diagrams and instructions. Once you've located the contact points, firmly press your key fob against them, ensuring the buttons face downwards. It's crucial to maintain continuous pressure on the key fob against these points. While holding the fob in place, proceed to press the engine start/stop button as you normally would. The vehicle's ignition system should activate, and the engine will begin to crank. Keep the fob pressed until the engine successfully starts. After successfully starting your Land Rover Discovery using this emergency method, it's important to replace your smart key battery as soon as possible. This procedure is a temporary solution, not a permanent fix. We highly recommend familiarizing yourself with these steps before an actual emergency arises. Also, consider having your vehicle inspected by a certified technician to diagnose and rectify any underlying issues causing the smart key detection failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.